guys. Today we're playing demolition on combat training, trying to get Justin got his diamond thing. Alright, so we're trying to get my DSR goal. I don't know how, but we're gonna try and do whatever we can to do it. So Justin, can you like help me like try and get this gold? What? This is fake and I don't care, but I don't like fake because fake always gets me killed. Oh, double killer. Oh, it's demolition. Don't get killed on me. Oh, what?
Oh,
Watch it end up killing you.
No.
Oh, what? You didn't die? I thought you died.
Yeah, that was close.
Oh, he sent me a game invite.
Don't do it.
Justin, my leader, sent me a game. No.
I was like freaking. I had 2 kills.
No! Oh, man. You gotta join my leader? He's better. You guys all most of him. Oh, UAV.
Oh my god.
Where is he at? Got him.
I thought you were sniping.
Oh, yeah, leveled up.
Alright, let's do this. Going in. Going in for the kills.
Last match, I need this. Why is this sugar? Funny how they just spawn like right there. Watch this spawn behind us.
What the fuck?
Timeline. What? No. Oh, GG.
Jesus Christ, dude.
Watch me get like the ending kill.
Oh my god, it's lagging.
Oh no. Oh, they all camping.
Oh!
Just in the beast. Oh, we both got 103. Look at this, pack a punch.
Yo, look at I got all of them.
Where was you?
Right there, you see the left one? That's me right there.
You almost killed him!
Right! Vicious.
I always see my friends. Doesn't let me play. Oh my god, I was gonna care about
I got your classes.
Come here. Come up top. We need to camp. You need to protect me.
You camp, I will, you know. Oh
Ooh.
shit.
Oh, what?
Oh!
I gotta see this.
Fake!
What?
Even though Bud killed us.
Wow, line.
He.
Shotgun time. I better have one extra thing.
Extra what?
You know.
What? You said you're camping?
One extra bloodthirsty, because I got like a ton of kills. Oh, this is. You up there? Alright. I'm defusing explosives, protect me.
Get out of here, get out of here. You got it already? Oh,
Get it back in! I got you.
put your care
I'll
package.
take that. Throw it in?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys want to sneak up back here, huh?
Only one more